My view site. No.
Yes, please, can we all, are we together? Are we all together? Can you hear me clearly? Yes, sir. Please, if you can hear me with your earpiece, let me know so that we can talk. Okay, please join up so that we can start. Let me give us 5 minutes. Sorry, we are starting late today. We are supposed to start by 10 in the morning, but because it rained here in Abuja this morning, some people came late. Me too, I took out time to rest before I came around, so that's why we are starting by 11. So this morning's class, we're gonna let everybody follow. So we're gonna be slower. So once I perform an action, I will expect everybody to have done it before we move to the next. Fortune, mute yourself. You're talking about. Okay. So like I was saying, this morning we are gonna be a little bit slower because once I perform an action, I want all of you to do it before we can continue. That's how we're gonna do today. I'm not gonna be as fast as I was yesterday and the day before yesterday, so that we can achieve a lot today. So that said, let me quickly share my screen so that we can start. Okay. So I'm gonna quickly say we are working from the local host. So I'm gonna say localhost / Tclassified. So that is where we stopped yesterday. So you also do localhost / what you have as your own, as the name of your site. So like I said, I'm gonna be leaving us a lot of time today so that we enjoy the class. So I'm gonna leave you to get to localhost / Tclassified or localhost / the name of the website. We said that WordPress is a content management system that can actually help you develop your website very fast. And we are using the local instance of WordPress. If you want to get your WordPress not locally installed, you can simply sign up with a hosting company. They will give you the hosting credentials. So inside that, you're hosting your domain platform. That's where you install your WordPress and you start creating. But because this is for learning purpose, I don't want you to spend money buying hosting or buying domain name. That's why we are doing it locally. And to do it locally, what you must first do is to do what? Is to install XAMPP. Then after installing XAMPP, you need to open the, what's it called? The control panel. This is how you open the control panel. So I'm going to quickly come here and just simply type XAMPP. Because I already have XAMPP on my system, you're going to see it, it will pop out. So this is my XAMPP control panel. So I'll click on my XAMPP control panel so that I can start my services. That's the first thing you do. This is the spelling of the XAMPP, XAMPP. So once you go to the internet and type XAMPP download, you should be able to download your XAMPP. XAMPP is not the only Apache server that can work for this. You also have WAMP and you also have AMP server. So there are many of them, but we're using XAMPP because over the years I found out that XAMPP is very, very effective. And that's what I've been using to do WordPress works. And that's why I wanted to use XAMPP. So once you start up your XAMPP, once the app comes up, you should be able to start your services. And that's what we are going to try to do now. So this is the app. This is the control panel of XAMPP. So if you've installed XAMPP, you should be able to bring out the control panel. So the services that we are starting are Apache service, which is the server that is going to be serving for us, and MySQL, which is the relational database that we're going to be using for these. So I'm going to simply click on Start for Apache, and I'm also going to click on Start for MySQL. So once the both of them are started, their colors are going to change to green. When they are starting to start, they will be in yellow, but once they are done starting, you're going to see the both of them in green. And once the both of them are in green, you can then simply go to your browser and type in the name of the site, which is localhost/Tclassified. So once you do that, it should now pop out Tclassified. Okay. I'm going to click on this WordPress. So you can see that both of them are now green. And that is why I'm able to get to this point. If they are not green, if you type localhost/Tclassified, you will not see anything here. Then when we are in localhost/Tclassified, we're able to see the index file, because in our extracted file, if you had opened that folder, you will see another WordPress inside it. But if you had only the WordPress on the outside, you will not have to go through the both of them for you to get there. But it's not a problem. It's something that we can still sort out. So once you click on the WordPress, it will get you to the site where we are. And this is where we stopped yesterday. We're able to look at how to bring in logo and how to bring in the favicon. This is the favicon and this is the logo. Those were the things we learned yesterday. And today I'm going to also show you how to do them again, so that in case if you are not able to pick up yesterday, you should be able to pick up today. And once you come to the website, this is the website that we are creating. So if you're here, you can simply go here, hover over this title of the website, you see dashboard. So click on the dashboard so that you get to the back end. Because we say that WordPress is a content management system, it enables you to just load in the content. The framework is already there. So it's a content management system. Use it to manage content. The framework has already been written in HTML, CSS, and PHP, and some elements of JavaScript. So if you want to build out your own team, you should be able to know how to use HTML, CSS. If you want to build out your own plugins, you should be able to know how to you should be able to know how to code in PHP up to the level of object-oriented manner of coding PHP. Okay, so since we are here and we are still modifying our team, we simply go to appearance. That's where we were yesterday. So you can click on team if you want to choose a team, but we've already chosen a team, and the team we chose yesterday was solo. So I can simply go and click on customize so that I can go through what was done yesterday before we proceed with today's agenda, which is creating menu for our website. So the steps I'm taking you through now is what we actually did yesterday as a refresher for everybody to be on the same page, or in case if you had any issues trying to work out yours. So once you're here, you can see where they wrote header. So because why we are going to header, because we want to modify this header. You can see blog. This side is the area for the blog. Footer is down. You understand? Okay, Ola, you want to ask a question? Okay. So just go to the, okay, I'm simply going to walk to somebody in my school here and show him where the dashboard is. So like I said, I want today's class to be very interactive. I'm not going to be too fast. If anybody calls for any problem, want to attend to that person. Okay, Odinaka is raising his hand. So Odinaka, I will take your question when I go to show somebody something and come back. You're working on your project. That's good. I love that. You simply type admin. Already. So that you now have to go for any other person having any problem? Okay, I've done that, and I cannot take Ibukwe Odinaka. You can ask your question now.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
I'm still having that problem creating my database from ground.
Okay, so Ibukwe is having problem creating his database. And had it been is in our school, yes, somebody would have quickly shown him that. But I'm gonna please ask you people to exercise a little patience. Let me quickly show him how to create database. Ibukwe, are you following?
Yes, I tried that method that you showed me, but it's been saying I keep creating for so long, so I'm sorry, processing.
Sorry, please. I had a music on my background. I didn't know when it came up. So Ibukwe, go on.
I said that I tried that. You said that you showed us. No.
Yeah. Oh, I want to show you how you can create the database now. Eh?
Okay.
Okay. So simply go to your browser. So I'm going to open up a fresh browser. And I'm doing this hoping that you've already started your services. Have you started both services, your Apache and MySQL?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So simply come to the address bar of your browser and simply type in localhost, just localhost without slash anything. Are you able to do that?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to quickly move this to the other side so that I can have space. So click on phpMyAdmin. Were you able to do that?
Yes, sir.
Have you done that? Were you able to do that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So once you're here in the phpMyAdmin window, you can click on databases. Can you see databases?
Yes, sir.
Have you done that?
Yes, sir.
You have to be responding so that I know that you're following up.
I said yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You said?
Yes, sir, I'm on database now.
Okay. So under database name, I say you should type a name that is just one name. Don't give a space. Like I had COVID-19 web. I also had Tclassified.com. So let's say you want to have one, you can call it Ibukwe EB, standing for Ibukwe database. So written together, no space. Then I click on create database. You can see it's written, Ibukwe database is now created. If you look at the left pane where you have COVID-19 web, Ibukwe DB. So those are my databases. You can also see Tclassified. Apart from that, you have other databases that come with the PHP MyAdmin. Were you able to do that?
So mine is not, it's still loading that table. Still loading the database. Still needs creation. What
You
has
say
been
your own
showing
is
for
still
long.
loading the database. Is it after putting in the name or before you
Yes.
put in the name?
Okay. Let me see if I can share it to you now. What I'm seeing here.
You have to talk loud. Put earpiece because I cannot get you very
So
well.
let me check if I can. So let me check if I can share what I'm seeing now.
You said?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
So let me see if I can share what I'm seeing now. It's only process. Okay, it's created now. Thank you.
Your voice is breaking. Who can hear what is telling me?
I said thank you. Thank you. I just created it.
I cannot even hear what you're saying. Can you send me a chat or something? Have you created? Were you able
Okay.
to create this database?
Yeah, I just did so now.
Did it come out?
Yes, sir.
Is it amongst this? Is it on the left pane like this? Can you see the database you created?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So once you're done that is it.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So what you do next now is to run the installation normally by simply saying inside your address bar of your browser, you now type localhost / the name of the website. Is that clear? So localhost / the name, and my own name is Tclassified.com. So once you get there, you should be able to follow through the installation by feeding in the required information. Okay. So having sorted that out, we are going to continue. So click on the header, everybody. This is where we will stop. Click on the header. Once you're in the header, you can see site identity. Can you see site identity? So inside the site identity, you're going to see a space where you can click and install and put a picture as your logo. And that's what we did here. Under site title, this is what we have our site title. So once you put a logo will replace the site title. But if you don't have a logo, the site title is what you're going to see there. Is that clear? So I'm going to come to tagline. This is my tagline. We have plenty of things there. I don't want all these things to be there. I just want to have educational technology and software development. I'm going to just take out all these other ones because I want it to be simple. You see, as you're making the changes, you're already seeing it. That's why we call it customize. You're trying to customize your front page. So once I'm done with that, you come down, you'll see a place where they say click to put in your what? Site logo. Site logo is what we call favicon. 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 That's what your site logo is. So in WordPress, they call it site logo. So it's most likely that you're going to use the same image as your logo for your favicon. And once you insert your favicon, this is where you see it. You can see here in the title bar. That's where you see it. You see your logo. So once you're done, click on publish. If you click on publish, it's going to take effect. So I'm going to click this to close because I published already. And that brings us to today's lecture. What do we want to learn today? We want to learn how to bring in menu. Is that clear? Now, when we are learning HTML and CSS, we said that a website is a combination of web pages. Is that what we did? So you need to understand this concept so that you know what you're creating menu for. So please pay attention. So when you have different web pages, like the About Us, the Contact Us, the Services, the Gallery, your online school, your shopping cart, or your shopping store, you understand? All those are supposed to be web pages, you understand? And for somebody to get to them individually, there has to be a link for all of them, isn't it? So that link for all of them is what we call the menu. That link for all of them is what we call the what? Is that clear? So by my explanation, you should know that for you to have a menu, you should have had the web pages, isn't it? So get it, when you want to create a menu, you should have had pages. So we're going to go from creating pages now to having menu. Is that clear? So once I do it now, I'll do some, then you will now populate the rest. Is that clear? Depending on what features that you want your website to have, isn't it? If you go to jamboyeknekouni.com, you're going to see my menu there. And the menu that I have there is because of the services the site is presenting. So you can see here I have home. Can you see the home? Can you see the About Us? Can you see buy lecture and material? Because I want people to buy my lectures. Donate, people to donate if they like the works that we are doing. How to get our lectures, showing the steps that somebody can use and get to this website and get the lecture. Online school, showing just the online school, because this website is also running as a blog. Register, how to register to the website. Submit assignment, how students can submit assignment and get help from Jambo Ekneko Uni. So your menu has to be something that has to do with the kind of functions that you want your website to be performing. And that is what we're going to be doing now. Okay, so to do that, to create the menu, you have to have the pages first. Isn't it what I said? So you click on pages. Can you see pages? Then you can see add new. So we're going to add some new pages now. Just give me 20 minutes. Okay. So I just clicked on add menu, add page. So I'm going to quickly delete this because I don't want to use this. So can you see where they wrote add title? That's where you have the title of your menu. So which menu are we going to have first? Let's have About Us. Let's have what? About Us. That's the first page. So start writing. What am I going to write? I'm going to write that Tclassified.com is an educational technology and ICT firm located in Abuja, precisely at University of Abuja, Gwagwalada. So that is where we are. It is a training center for software developers. So you can come and learn software developing. Graphics, we also teach graphics. We can teach you a whole lot about digital marketing. We can also teach you a whole lot about search engine optimization, so that you can drag traffic to your website. So these are the simple things that I'm gonna write for now, which we are gonna improve and add pictures and other things later. So once I'm done doing this, I can simply come and click on publish. So once I publish, then I have a page now known as About Us. So that is how you create a page in WordPress. So please, can you see these? Okay, so you can undo your page. You can do a whole lot of other things, but this is the basic thing that we're gonna do for now, so that we don't get ourselves confused. Okay, so once you update, then it's already part of your website. So you can see here it's a view page, so you can actually view it by just clicking on this view page. So once I click on it, you can see now it's on my website, About Us. Tclassified.com is an educational technology website located in Abuja, University of Abuja, Gwagwalada. It is a training center for software developers, graphics designers, digital marketers, search engine, blah, blah, blah. So you can actually draft what you want to do there. So I expect you to be able to do that. Under About Us, your client should be able to tell you about the company. So what your client tells you, that's what will be under your About Us. Is that clear? So when you get a job to design a website, you should be able to sit down with your client, asking your client, what are you into? Where are you located? You understand? Snap some pictures. You're going to drop those pictures here and other things. Are we together? So we're going to create another page. So I'm going to also go back here and click on dashboard. So we want to create as many pages as possible, so that when we are planning, when we are practicing, it's going to be a sweet flow. I hope nobody is having issues. I'm not moving too fast today. Any issues? No issues. Thank you very much for no issues. So I'm going to click on pages again and click on add new, because I want to add another page. So you can see that it's very simple. That's why I say WordPress is very simple. So I'm going to say, do I say contact us or services? Okay, let me quickly go to contact us, because everybody is telling me now that they already know it. And I love it that way. So I'll just go to contact us so that you can by yourself develop services, gallery, and other things that you want. So under contact us, I'm going to say that you can hook us up at our office. Yeah, somebody wants to say something. I'm hearing, I can hear you.
So you get the menu, the pages.
Wow, I cannot hear you, Amos. Can anybody hear what you just said? Amos, can you drop your comment in the chat? Your volume is so breaking. Your network is very poor. So drop it in the chat. Don't worry. Sorry, I cannot hear you. I'm so sorry. But before I finish this class, I'll go to the chat, look at your chat, and get back to you, please. But I cannot hear you now. Sorry. I'll simply write our office is at the University of Abuja, mini campus. Gwagwalada. And you can call me on the phone number +234 70671 62698. You can also contact me at the website www.jamwayeknecouni.com. And when I'm done with this website, you should also be able to contact me with www.Tclassified.com. The website is already there, like I said before, but it was done in HTML and CSS and Node. But we are redoing it in this again. So once you're done creating the content, click on publish. And once you publish, you're gonna see view page. I can click on it to view the page. So you can see it is here now, contact us page. Our office is at University of Abuja Mini Campus, Gogolada. You can contact us with this phone number and these various web addresses. Okay. So this is our website, but it's not showing the menu yet. You can see that it's not showing the menu yet. You understand? But we already have the pages. But you know that you get the pages, you get the menu from the pages. So I'm gonna go back to dashboard, but you can also go straight to the menu. You can see menu here, but let me go to dashboard. So now that we've had our pages, we want to now create menu that will show what the pages, that will bring out the pages. Okay, so if you click on appearance, you should be able to see menu. Are you able to do that? Okay, so I'm gonna now bring in my menu. So you can see here, when you look here, you will already see that they have contact us about us. Those two that we created, they're already here with what? Sample page. Sample page is the one that came with it. And we don't want it. We are going to delete this sample page so that we have the pages that we want. Are we clear on this? So before you start, you're going to come to this place they wrote menu name. You're going to give all the collection of your menu, you're going to give it a name. So you can just say menu. But my own routine, I normally call it main menu. I normally call it what? Main menu. That's why I give it up. So you can see menu setting, display location. If you pick primary menu, it's going to display it on top, which is where menu are. You understand? If you want it to be in your footer, footer is seen down. You can also put it on your footer. So I'm going to just click on main menu. I click on the create. And then I also come to under menu setting, we have chosen primary menu and click on save menu so that it will create it and know that this is in the primary. Are we together? Are we together? The up one is create menu. Once you click it, the down one will change to just save. Okay. Yeah. Under menu setting, click on primary. Okay, please. So I'm gonna go show him. Like I said, today we are not gonna be rushing. Want everybody to follow up. Okay, so if you have issue, let me see your issues. So you can just click on save before primary. Or you can click on primary. Once you click on save, Yes. Are we together? Are we on the same page? Amos, I cannot hear
No, sir.
you. It's a pity I cannot hear
No,
you.
sir, no, sir.
If you can, if it is okay or anybody, put your earpiece to your mouth so that I can get you. Make sure you are not in a noisy environment.
So,
Okay, Ibuka, I can hear you now.
okay, I'm still having that error establishing. Let me share my screen to you so you can see. Uh,
So are we here? Okay.
so it's showing me error establishing a database connection.
We are not there. We've not gone to that place. So just save the menu and wait. Then I'll show you what to do there.
I mean for my year.
Yeah, we just selected only primary thing. You don't have it there. Or maybe it's from your what thing are you using? The same, are you using the same thing as don't know. Maybe that's it. But just follow up. Are we together? Okay. Okay, so let me check out your chat. I can see some people are chatting us up. Okay. So we have please Ibokwe, be on mute. Amos, be on mute. I'm reading out your chat now. We'll take care of you. We have Iboke say, I just did so now. Okay. Where did you get your new page? Okay. Amos, immediately after doing the write-up in your page, once you click on update or your publish, you will see a small icon that will come down here that will tell you view page. So once you spend a little time, that icon will go out. That pop-up will go out. You understand? So, but that does not mean that your page is not created. It's already created. Once you click on publish, make sure after the write-up, when you put the title of the page, put the content of the page, click on publish. Make sure you click on publish. Once you click publish, it's done. So I have Abdul Halim. Sir, please, I stopped at contact us. Okay. That's what you want to do, but you can stop us anywhere you want to stop. There's no issue. That add this menu. So if you click on select all, okay. So can you see me? Am I still there? Okay. So once you're done with doing the two saves that I just did now, you come over to this side. You're going to see those pages that you've created. They will automatically pop up here, and you want to add them. If you click here, you're going to add everything. But we said that we don't want to add sample page, isn't it? So you just select these two, which are the two we created, and we'll click on add to menu. Add to menu. So once you click them now, you see that two of them are now here. Can you see the two of them? So two of them are now under your main menu, and that is what you want. So once you're done with that, click on what? Save menu again, and click on this other what? Save menu. So always make sure you're saving your changes. So once you're done, then you're okay and you're good to go. So you now come back to your dashboard, come to this place and click on view site. So if you click on view site now, you should be able to see those two menu. Can you see them? Contact us and about us, looking very, very beautiful. So you can now click on any of them to do what you want them to do for you. So I can now click on contact us. You can see all of them are loading. You can see the website is becoming very beautiful. We're going to put pictures here. We're going to put a slider, a carousel, and make this website very beautiful. Like I said, I'm going to use this website to replace my former site. So you will see me doing best practices in teaching you this, because those best practices are what I'm going to be using. This place that we have contact us and about us. You know that contact us normally come before about us. I mean, about us normally come before, isn't it? So to make such changes, you simply get back to your what? Dashboard and get back to your menu, and you can move that. So when you get back to appearance, menu, so let me show you how you can move that. You can see the two of them here, isn't it? So you can just click and drag this one, put it on top of this one. So that's how you do that. Very simple. Is that clear? So once you're done, you click on save menu. So once you make any changes, click on what? Save menu. Then when you get back again to your view site, you are now gonna see that about us is now coming before contact us. And this outlook is so fine. So somebody is chatting us off. I'm gonna check out what his chat is. So Emma says, sir, please, we'll be glad if you would do a summary slowly. Okay, so I'll do summary slowly. So Ibuke said, sir, I am having errors connecting to my database, okay? So Ibuke, if you're having error connecting to your database, what you will do is that on that page where they told you to connect to your database, the username there is root. The database name is the name that you give to your database. The username is root. So let's quickly practice this now. I'm going to go at your back, all of your systems, and see what you've done. So the assignment I'm giving now is that I want to have six menu, that's 6 web pages. So I'm going to have, we already have about us and contact us. I want to have services. Is that clear? Then I want to have what you want to have as your website. If you have a plan for your website, you understand, let it be there. If you want to have a shopping cart, like if you come to Jambo Ekne, if you click on this, buy our materials and stuff, what I have there is a shopping cart, is a shopping mall where you can go and buy fast questions. You can buy my lectures at a very, very cheap rate. You can buy projects that we do, all the things we create in Tclassified, that's what we see there. So put something about that, put a gallery, put a what? Gallery page, and anything you can think of. But I want to have 6 menu, and I'll be going around to check it now. And once we are done checking it, we are going to try again one, so that those people that did not pick online should be able to pick it this time around. So I'm going to be signing off. Thank you. God bless.